Hey friends, if you encounter the error unknown software exception 0xe0434352 error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Now here's what we have to do. First of all, search for Microsoft C++ redistributable in the Windows search bar or on your browser, and then scroll down and go to the learn.microsoft.com page. Scroll down and click on the x64 version and then click on open, and then you can agree to the license terms and install it. So this is one thing, and other than installing this one, you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.